Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Context is key. Social media strategy in a noisy online world. Lecture 1. Introduction to social media strategy. Welcome to the digital landscape. Navigating the noise. Defining social media strategy. Crafting your social media strategy. Setting goals. Conclusion. Introduction to social media strategy. Welcome to our presentation on the digital landscape. Today, we'll be discussing the impact of social media and how it has transformed the way we communicate and do business. Social media has become an integral part of our daily lives, with billions of people using platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram every day. As businesses, it's important to understand the power of social media and how it can help us connect with customers, build brand awareness, and drive sales. Navigating the noise. In today's digital landscape, there is an overwhelming amount of content being produced and shared every second. With so much noise, it can be difficult for businesses to stand out and get their message heard. However, social media provides a unique opportunity to cut through that noise and reach target audiences. By leveraging the power of social media platforms, businesses can create engaging content that resonates with their audience and encourages them to take action. Whether it's through eye-catching visuals or thought-provoking messaging, social media allows businesses to connect with their audience on a more personal level and build brand loyalty. Defining social media strategy. A social media strategy is a plan for how an organization will use social media to achieve its business objectives. This includes identifying target audiences, selecting appropriate social media platforms, creating engaging content, and measuring the success of social media efforts. It is important to align social media efforts with overall business goals to ensure that social media is being used effectively to support the organization's mission and vision. A well-defined social media strategy can help build brand awareness, increase customer engagement, and drive website traffic, ultimately leading to increased revenue and growth. Crafting your social media strategy. Crafting a successful social media strategy requires a deep understanding of your target audience. Who are they? What do they care about? What motivates them to engage with brands on social media? Conducting thorough audience research is essential to answering these questions and creating content that resonates with your followers. Once you have a clear understanding of your audience, it's time to focus on content creation. This involves developing a content calendar, planning out your posts in advance, and creating high-quality content that aligns with your brand's messaging and values. Don't forget to mix up your content formats, including images, videos, and infographics to keep things fresh and engaging for your followers. And finally, don't overlook the importance of engagement. Responding to comments and messages, sharing user-generated content, and actively participating in conversations related to your brand can help build a loyal following and increase the reach of your social media efforts. Setting goals. Setting goals is an essential component of any successful social media strategy. Without clearly defined objectives, it can be difficult to measure progress and determine the effectiveness of your efforts. When setting social media goals, it's important to make them specific, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Smart. For example, a SMART goal for social media might be to increase engagement on Instagram by 20% within the next 3 months through the creation of compelling visual content and consistent posting. By setting a SMART goal, you can track progress, make adjustments as needed, and ultimately achieve success in your social media efforts. Conclusion. In summary, we've discussed the importance of social media in today's digital landscape and how it can be used to cut through the noise and reach target audiences. We've also explored the role of social media strategy in achieving business objectives and provided practical tips for crafting an effective strategy. Additionally, we've emphasized the importance of setting specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals for social media efforts. By applying what you've learned today, you'll be better equipped to navigate the digital landscape and achieve your business objectives through social media.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.